Hey tubers, we have our 2016 Altima 2.5, Nissan Altima 2.5 with the complaint of a code 0016, which is a timing code. All right, so what I have here is a graph of a computer percent open in the exhaust valve and the response from the valve, which is in degrees. Okay, so let's look at it. I'm in drive and I'm accelerating a little bit first. There's the acceleration. There's more acceleration. There's more acceleration. More, and I let it go. Okay, what I notice here is this. The relation between them two should be linear. Linear means the more the valve opens, and you see it in percent, the more exhaust timing shaft should turn, and which is in degrees. And we're not seeing it. We're not seeing the linear relation. What we're seeing is the top one. The computer opens it up almost at 74%, and the valve opens up, but what happens is the high percentage does not produce good torque on the shaft. Basically, with the computer trying going up, the degrees follow first and then drop out. Again, the same thing. This is a new cycle. The computer wants to bring it up, and as a result, it's seeing a little bit over increase in degrees, and then a drop out. Again, watch this. The very first movement that I'm explaining is this. The percentage goes up, and the degrees go up. No, this time it actually did what it's supposed to do. This time it worked. Now the second time it opens up, it drops out. You can see now I want to catch a moment where it's showing 50 degrees, 50%, and it still shows 0. I saw that. Just like that, 66, 67, 11 degrees, 0. You see what I mean? There's no linear relationship, which should be. Basically, I'm saying the more valve opens, which is the VTC duty exhaust number, the more it opens, 0 to 8 on, the more degrees you should see on your timing, on your valve, exhaust valve. We're talking about the exhaust valve here. So one more time. Okay, it's not accelerating anymore. No, it is. Okay, one more time. All right, it doesn't want. Okay, all right, I'm in neutral now. Okay, neutral. Okay, drive. No, I lost acceleration just now. Okay, so I am going to switch to I'm going to restart it. Okay, I'm going to restart it. And I'm going to switch to the intake side of it. Okay, 1 second. Here's how we're going to get to the intake side of it. First we'll go back here. Okay, I don't have anything locked. I have unlocked. Okay, Unlock this. Unlock this. No. 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 Okay. And I have, again, intake timing, intake solenoid, in different order though, okay? Now I'm going back to 2 graph mode. And intake timing on top, intake timing solenoid at the bottom. Okay, let's get it going. Let's get it started. Okay, that was the first. So just know this is this is upside down. Intake timing is up, and the solenoid percentage at the bottom. Okay, so let's see what happens at the intake side. This is 0. Okay, since the solenoid, since the computer doesn't open it, there's no movement. Makes sense. There's no turning. Let's try it again. I'm in drive now. Hoppa. Okay. Nope. I got no acceleration. Okay, let's go check the code. Let's go check the codes now. I think maybe we have codes and that's fine. No, check engine's not on though. Okay, shut it on. Ignition on. Ignition on. Back to here. Back to codes. Do we have any codes? No codes. Alright. So why did I lose acceleration? Interesting. I don't understand that. Clear codes just in case. Just in case. Okay. Alright, going back to data and other signals. And okay, and back to PID, wait, and again, ignition, here. Okay, there it is. There it is. Intake valve timing, degrees, and at the bottom, intake solenoid percent. Okay. Alright, go back to graph mode. Okay. And start the vehicle. That's what happened just now. Percentage opening at the bottom, intake timing at top. So it looked okay for a second. Let's see what happens again. Okay, I'm gonna try to put it in drive and try it again. I get no acceleration. Why am I not getting acceleration? Why am I not getting acceleration? I don't have the answer right now. Because of the timing, maybe. There's no codes and no acceleration in drive. Although it was accelerated fine, I'm still at the intake valve movement. Okay, so it shows something. What is this? Okay, let's stop it. Stop the engine. and try it again. Okay, so the computer looks like runs a check on the intake valve, intake shaft, and I think it satisfies the parameters because it's not set in the code. Now, I still have acceleration, but not in drive. It's very unusual. Okay, all right, so we need to draw a conclusion. The code that was in there is not there right now, but which is P0016, which is the timing code. But given what we just checked, I would say the problem is at the exhaust side, okay, exhaust side. And the problem may be as simple as a leaky seal at the inside of the side cover. Basically, it's got two protrusions, each has a seal on it, and if one of those seals or both of them break, that's probably the picture you're going to see. The intake side is okay, but the exhaust side was, as you saw, was not did not have that linear relationship that it should. It was not going up with the degrees did not go up with the percentage opening. Basically, that's a short way of saying that. So I blame what I just said, a possible oil leak into the exhaust sprocket, and that has to be confirmed by opening up the cover and visually checking everything there with the seal and the sprocket movement and everything else that should be checked when you open up side cover on the 2.5 Altima engine. All right, if you like it, put a thumb up and subscribe to my channel, please.